Hi there everyone, my name is Simon Mashevich from Optimized Accountants and I'm back in my studio dungeon, otherwise known as my apartment's kitchen. So I hope you like it. But let's get away from my decor of my apartment to Chat GPT. And can it help me reduce capital gains tax? Well, let's have a look and play with it, shall we? So we know we've got this whole new AI open to us. So surely enough, it should save us tax, right? Let's go check it out. So let's have a look. So can you, in fact, let's say how much capital gains tax will I pay on a gain of 30,000, let's say 20,000 I made on a property, type that right, sale. Well, I'm not a secretary by any means, do not hire me for that. So let's type in that, let's see what it comes back with. As an AI language model, I can provide you with general information. Okay, that's fine. In the United Kingdom, capital gains tax is applicable when you sell a property. Good. That is not your prime residence. Well, you may have sold your prime residence if you didn't always live in it, then the capital gains tax may be following that. Okay, that's fine. Let's go on from that. So let's have a look. So as of my knowledge, cut off from September 2021. Oh, well, that's the first problem, isn't it? What year are we in now? 2023. Not useful. Basic rate taxpayers pay 10% on gains, 18% on gains above the basic rate threshold. Really? Okay. I mean, 10% yes for basic rate taxpayers, 18% if you sell residential property. Okay. High rate taxpayers pay 20%. Yeah, true. With the additional rate band of 28%. Okay. Nope. That's only on residential property sales. So ChatGPT, not very useful. I've also asked for it to give me a helping hand with if I make a gain of 20,000. So to determine the precise amount of capital gains tax we'll pay on a gain of 20,000, it is advisable to consult with a tax professional. So it's not really helped you to do anything at all, apart from the annual exemptions. So, okay, so let's start with this. What is the annual exemption? And you have to note, I know exactly the questions to ask it to help me get answers, but would you? That's a great question, isn't it? So for CGT purposes, and I'm not going to put anything else, I'm just going to say that. And I might even put some spelling errors in just to help it out even more. So what's it come back with? As my knowledge is cut off, 12,300. Okay, fine. 24,800 for the tax year 21-22 tax year, if you double it up, 24,600, sorry. So really doesn't help you with the annual exemption of 3,000 or 6,000, depending which year you're watching this video. But 2023, 2024, it's 6,000 and then dropping to 3,000. So this really doesn't help me. Okay, so let's think about this. How can it help me even further? So I made a gain of £20,000 with a total employment income of £50,000. How much CGT will I pay? Let's just ask that question, see what it tells me. To calculate capital gains tax liability on your gain of 20,000, we would need to consider your overall taxable income. Well, go figure. I've already told you that. Determine your taxable figure, 20,000 minus 12,300 annual exemption is 7,700 capital gains. Not really true. Calculate your total taxable income, 50,000 employment income plus 7,700 is 57,700 taxable income. Identify your income tax basic band. Are you going to tell me that then? So calculate CGT, 7,700 times by 10%. No, 18%. So that's wrong. And then obviously we've got a gain above that amount of employment income. So, okay, so far, therefore, based on the given information, assuming the current tax rates and thresholds, you would pay 770, which is 10% of the 7,700, fine. Not right, but okay. And capital gains tax of 20,000, considering your total employment of 50,000. Okay, so straight away, I'm just thinking this is just total rubbish. So can you rely on Chat GPT? No, is the answer to that. Absolutely not. Now, I'm not here to say this won't get better. Of course it will. And you can program it to tell you the useful information. But what you don't know, you can't put in. And that's why a tax professional, as it says all the way through, to look at the tax professionals or accountants for personal advice, because it's essential to know what you don't know. And a tax professional will help you fill the gaps, even if you are both using Chat GPT to identify what the taxable income will be or capital gains tax liabilities will be based on your individual case.